How to pay with PayPal on Kinguin. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily pay with PayPal on Kinguin. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first go to the Kinguin website and make sure you're logged in. And after you're logged in, so let me add a product to my cart to just show you how you can pay with PayPal. So to get an invoice, they will require your first name, last name and address. So if you haven't filled out this, you should fill out. So let me fill this all of out quickly. So after you have filled the address, click on add. Then once you have added the address, wait for this to load. And then here you will see the choose payment method. So from here, click on PayPal, and then if this shows you, you have to click on switch to euro or USD, whatever it shows. So for me it was showing euro, so I selected euro, and then you have to wait for it to load. And then I have now selected PayPal. So after selecting, if you have a discount code, enter it here, and then make sure you have added the right things in cart, and then click on pay with PayPal. Now this PayPal pop-up will show up. You have to enter, you have to log in, so enter here email or mobile number, then click on next, and after you have logged in, you will taken to the payment page. So from there you have to approve the payment, and so this is how you can pay with PayPal on Kinguin. Thanks for watching.